Alright, so we continue with our costs, and I had told you about the total cost. Now we begin with total cost. Total cost we have done under total cost two types, that is total fixed cost and total variable cost. The sum total of total fixed cost and total variable cost is total cost. Here we are doing total cost now. Total cost is the total expenditure incurred by a firm on the factors of production required for the production of a commodity. And in the form of an equation, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. I have prepared this schedule and the diagram which comprises of all these three types of costs, namely total fixed cost, total variable cost and total cost, along with all the three diagrams, one of total fixed cost, the other total variable cost that we've already done, and the total cost curve. So let us first understand the schedule. In the schedule we have the units of output, then we have total fixed cost, total variable cost. These two, total fixed cost and total variable cost, are now summed in this column, in the fourth column, and we are getting our total cost column, where even at 0 unit of output the total cost will be 12 because total fixed cost was 12. Then it is rising and tends to go ahead and increase more and more later on. That is why your total cost curve will begin at 12 units of expenditure or costs and carry on in this manner. So you have your three curves depicted in this diagram, where the total fixed cost curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis. That means it remains the same no matter how many units of output are produced, whether it is 0 unit of output or 5 units of output. Whereas your total variable cost curve begins at 0 unit, as indicated here in this schedule as well. For 0 unit of output, your total variable cost is 0, and as output goes up, total variable cost also tends to rise. But since we are starting from 0 unit of output, it will remain below your total cost. Your total cost curve is indicated by the summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost, and it is an invert U-shaped curve. Let us now understand the relationship between total cost, total fixed cost and total variable cost with the help of these points. The first point of relationship is total fixed cost curve is a horizontal straight line parallel to OX axis as it remains constant at all levels of output. No matter whether you are producing no output, that is 0 unit of output, or 5 units of output, your total fixed cost curve will remain a horizontal straight line parallel to OX axis. Second one, total cost and total variable cost curves are inversely S-shaped because they rise initially at a decreasing rate and then at a constant rate and then at a increasing rate. That is the reason behind the shape of law of variable proportions also. So we have already done the law of variable proportions, and this is the application of that law explained with the help of this diagram of total cost curve. Third point of relationship between TC, TVC and TFC is at 0 output, TC is equal to TFC. At 0 output, TFC is equal to TC because there is no variable cost at 0 level of output. So total cost and total fixed cost curves, they are straightened from the same point which is above the origin. So here you start your TC at this point where your TFC begins. Fourth point, the vertical distance between TFC curve and TC curve is equal to TVC, total variable cost. As total variable cost rises with increase in output, the distance between TFC and TC curve also goes on increasing. Please note the difference, that the difference between TFC, TVC and TC will keep on rising. Then the fifth and the last point, total cost and total variable cost curves are parallel to each other. Just note. And the vertical distance between them remains the same at all levels of output, because the gap between them represents TFC. Since TFC is constant, therefore the gap between TVC and TC is the same, which remains because of TFC remaining constant. So I hope the relationship between TC, TVC and TFC are clear to you, and we will be talking about average costs in the next video.